How to add phone number in your Google Meet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to add a new number on your Google Meet application, here is what should be done. First of all, head over to your Google Meet application. Once that is done, log in with your Google account. After that, tap on your profile to go to Google Settings, which is on the top right corner. Tapping on it, you will see Add Your Phone Number option. Tap on it. Tapping on it will give you the existing phone number and a button to add a new number. Tap on the second option and then provide in your country code. After that, provide in your phone number. Once that is done, tap on the continue button and a verification code will be sent to your number. Make sure to confirm it to verify, and that way your number has been successfully added. However, if you're having any troubles with the verification, tap on the link and check how you can verify your phone number process. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.